Hello, are you looking for a cabin in the woods? Well, you're going to want to watch this video. I've got this beautiful place right here for sale. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate out of Grangeville, Idaho, and this cabin's only about 10 miles outside of Grangeville, but it is a stone's throw from United States Forest Service, and you can leave from here and you can take your side-by-side, your four-wheelers, your snowmobiles, your horses. You can ride all the way to the Salmon River, or you can head east and go all the way to Montana and never leave public land. So if that interests you, stick with me. We're going to walk through this cabin, and then I'm going to show you a little around the property. All right, so we come inside the door, have a nice entryway, and right into the living room. With these big, beautiful windows. You can enjoy the outdoors from inside of a wood-burning stove. There's also some electric heat in here, as you can see. We also have laminate flooring, low maintenance, and this, I got to show you this. The stair runners are elk antlers. Isn't that cool? And we're going to come into the kitchen here. Rustic cabinetry here, and this I just love. The countertops are wood slabs with that live edge right on there. Really is a nice rustic cabin here. Get the dining area in here real quick. Let's go out and look at that porch. As you can see, you've got internet right here. And I also want to show you that is currently under some construction. They're trying to finish it up, but look at this deck. I hope this camera is doing it justice. It is absolutely beautiful. They're going to continue this on and finish what's over there, but it's a beautiful deck. Just imagine yourself drinking coffee in the morning, maybe a nice bourbon late in the afternoon, and that's your view. Now we're back in the house. We're going to walk down, check out the first bedroom. Right here, this is a king-size bed, so it does take up a great deal of the room. Closet right there. And then we're going to just shoot right back across the hall. Have a full bath, shower tub, and we have the mud room. It's going to lead us down to, of course, an outside entrance. And then the laundry room. You got a spot to fold laundry and put it up. And then there is a laundry chute for the upstairs bedroom. Let's go up there and check it out. Up here we have a nice sitting area. Some nice windows, TV. And then it's going to walk in through some French doors right here into our other bedroom. There's a closet here, and there's also a half bath. And there's that laundry chute. So I really hope you like the tour through the house here. Give me a minute and we're gonna go walk around the property, but I want to take this opportunity to tell you a couple things. One, I'm the only broker in this area that does real estate videos like this. And so if this is helpful in your real estate search, please put a like on my video. And if you are so inclined, I would love to hear a comment also. But more importantly, please subscribe to the channel. And so you'll never miss one of these great listings that I have coming up. And then real quick on the house, this is a real nice, beautiful home if you're looking to downgrade the size of your house, but it's a perfect cabin site. If you're a snowbird, this is going to be a beautiful place to spend your summers, and I really think you'll enjoy it. But on top of that, this is an opportunity to be income producing. If you were to Airbnb this out, I think you would be booked as much as you want it to be. There's a house just down the street that they've started Airbnb-ing, and I guess within a couple of weeks they were booked out for months on end. There's not a lot of those in this area, and there certainly isn't right up here next to Forest Service, where they're going to have endless recreational opportunities. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you give me a call right away. Now let's go outside and take a look around. All right, here is the other building on the property. You got room to park 2 vehicles, anything you might need. And right over here we have a nice little insulated room. There is some electricity down here, but right now just a storage room. But this was kind of set up to be bunk beds. So if you're anything like me and your wife doesn't care for your hunting buddies, they've got a place to stay. Keep the other half happy with you. Go right up there to the cabin. Thanks for watching the video. I just want to tell you a few more important points before we let you go. One, if you want to check out the information section of this video here on YouTube, you're going to find out a bunch of content that you would like to know, including the price, the acreage, all that kind of stuff. There's also going to be 3 links down there. One link will be to my website where this listing is. Number 2 will be to my interactive 3D walkthrough of this house, where you can actually sit on your computer or your tablet, phone, whatever you like, and you can walk through this house and look around virtually. Inside of that also we'll have 40 photos of the house and the property, and there's also going to be a floor plan in there, so you can see the exact floor plan of this house and all the measurements of the room. I think you'll find that very useful. And then the third thing is going to be my interactive map, where you'll actually be able to look at this property. You can do it in 3D or 2D, which, by the way, this property is very flat. There's a slight slope to it, but very, very usable land. And you're going to see how close we are to the Forest Service, how close we are to town, and you'll be able to check out all the neighbors up here and see that this is going to be an extremely private piece of property for you. So if you got some interest, make sure you check out that info area. Also, please give me a call if you want to come up here and look at this property or any other property in North Central Idaho. I want you to know I do not pay Zillow and I do not pay Realtor.com for your name. So if you want me, call me. And with that, we want to remind you to find your freedom.